back to my channel. Today I am making a cake. For that we need powder sugar, wheat flour, melted butter, baking soda, egg, curd and mixture of nuts. So first we will start by sieving our wheat flour. After sieving our wheat flour, we will sieve our powder sugar. Now we will pour our egg by breaking it. Put half cup of curd. But if you do not want egg, then put full cup of curd. Here I am adding egg, so I am pouring half cup of curd. Now mix both of them. Pour this liquid into our mixture. Then also put your mixture of nuts, melted butter in our mixture. Mix it. If you see some lumps, then put a bit of milk to make a fine consistencies. Now grease the container in which you are pouring your mixture. Then put baking soda. Baking soda will help you to bake your cake. Pour your mixture into the container. Tap it to just mix it. Now microwave it for 5 minutes. Here, put knife in it. If it does not have a sticky part, then our cake is baked.